Guys, nandito tayo sa Buklod. Kay Kuya Balong. And he's a hustler. Look at this. Pag gusto nyo, guys, kung di nyo pa alam, tingnan nyo to. Hustler. That's a hustler right there. Kaganda ng mga damit niya, oh. Check it out. That's ukay right there, man. Quality. Look at that. Kailangan mapakita lahat. Yan, oh. Oh, di ba? Tignan mo naman. That's Kuya Balong right there, right? If you guys are just curious, nandito siya malapit sa 5-star. Sa palengke mismo, sa may crossing, yung cross na ganyan, kakanan ka pag galing ka ng Salabasan, sa Mandara, kakanan ka, makikita mo kaagad si Kuya Balong, man. He's a hustler, man, in quality. That's all quality. Dalian nyo, guys. Baka maubusan ngayon ng gusto nyo, man. Kuya Balong. Taste, man. All right, man. See ya.